Sean Lowe and Catherine Giudice Lowe are opening up about a difficult new chapter for their family. The Bachelor couple revealed that their 8-year-old son Isaiah has been diagnosed with type 1 diabetes. In an emotional Instagram post, Catherine shared that their pediatrician noticed concerning symptoms during Isaiah's annual checkup, including an 11-pound weight loss, excessive thirst, and frequent trips to the bathroom. Adding, otherwise healthy and active, she ran some tests and sent us to the emergency room based on those alarming results. She continued, this tough boy has endured countless injections, 4 days away from his home, and a lifestyle and routine that feels very, very foreign. She also shared moments from Isaiah's time in the hospital, including playing with Lego, spending time with his siblings, and resting with the comfort of his teddy bears. Sean and Catherine, who found love on season 17 of The Bachelor, also share a son, Samuel, and a daughter, Mia.